Hello everyone, it's James from MPX AUTOS. How are you today? In this video we would like to share the work that we already finished in Hyundai Sonata 2015-2016. And yes, this car came with a very famous factory screen that was not working. Yep, 100% not working, nothing working from the entertainment system before. No steering wheel control, no sound, no radio, no GPS, no reverse camera, nothing on the factory screen before. And at this moment it's already been rescued with our full setup of premium 7-inch, including the new upgrade of the Full HD shockproof, waterproof, super wide angle, anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera. Okay, this is a fancy name. I know, but it actually standing for a very high resolution and super clear detailed camera at the back end at this moment, and it's still looking like factory camera. So let's work out and see how the new camera in this car already been. So you can see that that's a new camera. Okay, no one, I can guarantee you, no one look at here will say, oh, it's not factory. It is looking like factory, but the new camera is far higher level of the detail of the anti-glare, of the shockproof and waterproof. I mean, really heavy duty, and also anti-glare and super night vision. Okay, so quickly we want to summarize what we have done. The full set of steering wheel control connect to the new system, all working very well, and we have two USB ports that we already secure inside the glove box nicely, and it's all set up like this. And we have touch screen on the side, soft touch screen, and now if you turn the headlight on, it turns the system down to the lower level of the light on the screen for night driving, and it turns the GPS into the night driving mode straight away. Instantly, I really say that. And that is wireless Android Auto on the screen, and of course you can run wireless Apple CarPlay as well, very easy. Now if you you see that we turn down the headlight and it come back to the day driving mode straight away. And what else? Yeah, that's the 7-inch perfectly fit in the system that we provide. Now this one, you can easily communicate with the screen via the touch screen here, or the soft button on the side, and also via the steering wheel, and also via the voice command. You can say hey Google, or you can say hey Siri when you use the iPhone in the car. Yep. And once more, we talk about the built-in digital sound processors amplifier inside our new system is very strong, and at this point the sound already been tuned up to a much better level, and we guarantee that the owner will be very shocked and very happy with the new performance of his own car's speaker, just all the factory speaker, but at the much better level at this point, because the control output, the signal output from the head unit now is much better performance, so it drives the speaker to the higher level by themselves, and that's what it is with our system. You have the new upgrade screen, which is much better. You have new camera upgrade, which is far better the factory, and also it automatically increase the performance of your sound system to a higher level, much deeper, much higher, and clearer and nicer. Okay, all in one place, premium package, 7-inch MPX Autos. If you like this one, please feel free to click the subscribe button. Don't forget that, we appreciate it, and we are looking to have more and more video and more of the cars like this coming up on the channel. Thanks again, and have a good weekend.